Hey guys, Quark here, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a join and leave simulation. You don't need an alt to join and leave because we'll be creating a setup command for welcome and goodbye in the next video. So let's get started. Let's open our cmd.bat code dot. So last time we did a setup command, and we will try to create a welcome and goodbye channel, which will work on multi-guild. So I will create a simulation command, so you don't need an alt to join and leave to test out the welcome and goodbye channel. So I'll create a new folder. Let's call it simulation. Inside I would say simjoin.js, stand for simulation join, and I'll copy the ping, paste it, whoops, copy, paste. Alright, so let me change the license to be, let's say, join, and this one would be sim join. Category would be simulation, and this will be simulate user join server. Delete off these, and then let's create an permission checking. So message.member.has permission administrator, then return message.channel.send you don't have the required permission. Alright, so after that, this one will be a quick and easy video. So let's say client.on guild member add, this one will be member, and let's say message.channel.send. There's just a dummy first. We will be creating a event for this guild member add, so this one is just a dummy. Let's join the server, and this one will be client.emit. If you don't know what emit is, you should check out the JavaScript and Node.js document, and then message.member. Alright, done. I'll copy this and then create a new, actually I just copy and paste, copy and paste. I'll rename this from simjoin to simleave, simjoin, simleave, leave, and simulate user leave the server, guild member add to be guild member remove has left the server, guild member remove. So let's try to test these out. No, whoops. This will be in another video, not that. Okay, so register the command. Let's try dash help first. Okay, so we have here simulation. Let's try sim join. Here, Quark has joined the server. If I say sim leave, Quark has left the server. So that's it for today, guys. It's a quick and easy video, and in the next episode I'll be creating an event for welcome and goodbye messages. It will be similar to the one I have created here. So when the user joins, it will send welcome it to Quark realm, and this is the image here, like welcome to the reason there are this thing is because he has a special character. But for example, if you're seeing here, it will grab this, and then it will show the number of the number when user join. Also for goodbye here. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll be happy to help if any of you got any problem with your code, and see you in the next episode.